So we are trying out a new morning routine because if you watched my last vlog, Vlogmas day 18, then you will have seen that I was having a really bad day, and it's been like that for a few days now. And yesterday when I wasn't feeling good, I decided to go to the gym, get out of the apartment. It was really late by the time that I decided to get out of the apartment, but it really did make me feel better. But the pattern that I was in was really to wake up and like wash my face, which is pretty good, and then like sit in the living room, which is not a good routine to have. So this morning we're trying something new. I didn't put an alarm on. Yesterday we went to bed really late, so I was really tired. I woke up at I think around 7:30, but I stayed in bed a bit, tried to close my eyes again because I felt very tired. And I feel like that's not the way to start the day, you know? If you're tired, you might as well sleep and then wake up when you're fully awake. So at 8:15 I decided to get out of bed and I brushed my hair. I prepped my lemon water right here. And now I'm gonna try to make my way to the gym for 9 o'clock this morning, and I'm gonna just finish my drink, eat a banana because I know I'm gonna be really hungry if I go to the gym without eating breakfast, but I don't want to make a full breakfast either. So I'm gonna eat a banana, brush my teeth, and then go to the gym. We're gonna try to make it for 9 o'clock. I think it's very possible that I make it before or right on the dot at 9. There's no reason I shouldn't be there at that time. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna maybe just play on my phone a bit this morning. Maybe I'll grab my laptop and watch a YouTube video while I drink my water. But that's it. I'm not touching the TV. I feel like the TV is just really toxic to me right now. So we're not gonna touch the TV unless we're done our work for the day. And today should be a fun day, so we're gonna keep that fun day in mind and get it done. I'm dressed. I've got my Lululemon sports bra, Lululemon Align in a navy blue color with a little navy blue little vest. I thought that could be cute for today's workout, and I just have to brush my teeth and then I'm out the door. So I'm done my workout. I didn't really do a workout. I just walked for 30 minutes at an incline of 12 and a speed of 4. So definitely very sweaty. I'm excited to go home and take a shower. And it's also Saturday, so I'm gonna make like a fun breakfast this morning. So I'm excited for that. So we're heading home. Gonna take a shower and make breakfast. All right, so after spending about 2 minutes trying to get this camera to focus, we can finally start this clip. Great. So I am making breakfast. I got ready. I did my hair, did my makeup. No, I didn't do makeup. I did my hair, washed my face, took a shower, and I'm now making breakfast. So this morning for breakfast, I'm going to be making a breakfast wrap or breakfast burrito, I guess. So I've got my tortilla bread right here. I'm going to put some mayonnaise on it, not too much, just a bit. Some avocado on it, probably gonna mush that up onto it. And then I've got 2 slices of bacon cooking right now, and I'm gonna cook up some scrambled eggs also, and I'm gonna make a little breakfast burrito. I thought that would be a really yummy way to start my Saturday morning, and it sounds so good. And I have to finish my avocado, and I think that the egg, bacon, and avocado together are gonna taste so good. So I'm super excited to try it out. So I will show you what it looks like before I roll it up, and then we'll do a little taste test together. All right, so far so good, but now I'm debating on whether or not I should put cheese in here. I typically don't eat too much dairy in a day because my skin reacts, my body reacts, so I'm debating, like, should I add just a little bit of cheese or not? Like, if I add just a little bit, I'll be fine. So I think I'm gonna do just a little bit of that. I think a little bit of cheese is gonna be good. Okay, so this is the final product before I roll it up and put it on the stove to get it a little bit crispy on the outside. Okay, so I'm in my living room and I'm about to try out my little burrito, breakfast burrito. I cut it in half, so I thought I would show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Oh my god, this looks so good. Look at this, like, yum. let's do a taste test. Like, I have very high hopes. The only thing I'm like iffy about is the warm avocado. I probably should have put that like in the middle so that it wasn't directly on the pan when I was warming up the wrap. Cheers. This is so good. Oh my god. This is absolutely insane. This is so freaking good. I would make this for breakfast every single day. I'll just need to substitute the bacon with something else. This is so good. All right, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast and watch a bit of YouTube. Not too much. I'm opening the TV, but not for too long. I'm gonna watch maybe one video. That's it, not more. And then we'll see what we end up doing, but that's really all I want to do for today. One video, and then I want to do something else with my time. Okay, so for some reason, it is absolutely freezing in my apartment right now. So I just turned up the heat. I think we were like at 12 degrees, so like that's fucking cold. So I'm like, we're putting up the heat. I even have like this little heater going right here. And I just made coffee, and for the first time in like 2.5 weeks, I made some hot coffee because I am freezing. I am a freaking popsicle right now. I am so cold. So I made some coffee and I am trying out, because I have yet to try this flavor out, but Alex has, the gingerbread one from their Christmas, from the Nespresso Christmas edition ones. So my coffee is done. I just frothed in my milk. I'm excited to have some warm coffee because I'm so cold right now. You have no idea. Also, I've got 3 cookie dough balls right here. These are from the sugar cookies that I made yesterday. I really want to make more today. So I was kind of thinking I would make like tiny like gingerbread houses with the sugar cookies, because they're pretty solid, so I could definitely make them. And if I do the dough thick enough, I think it wouldn't be a problem, and I think it could be so cute and so fun. So I really want to do that later today. Also, Alex and I are supposed to decorate cookies together. Also, I'm really sorry if I'm not focused. My camera has been having problems. As you can tell, I'm literally not focused right now at all. So yeah, I really want to decorate cookies, and I would like to make more and do like tiny gingerbread houses. I think that could be so freaking cute. So we'll see if I end up doing that, because it could get complicated. If I don't, that's fine. I just really want to make more cookies and like decorate them. So I'm excited about that. It's gonna be so much fun. All right, so I just taste tested my coffee and it tastes so good. There's like the slightest taste of like spices in there, and it just tastes good. And also it feels really good on my hands because my hands are so cold right now, and the cup is warming me up. I have this cup right here that I'm using. It's, what does it say on it? Let me just read to you guys what it says on it. It says, November babes are darker nights and sparkly lights. I'm not too sure what that's supposed to mean, but I'm a November babe, so we got the cup last year and I think it's cute, and the blue is like very me. I like the blue. I think it looks nice. Oh, I'm so happy I did a warm coffee. I don't think I would have been able to finish a cold coffee. I'm so freezing right now. Anyways, I'm gonna drink my coffee. Brought the cats outside. It snowed, and Milo loves the snow. Bea, I'm not too sure, but Milo loves the snow. Look at him go! He's so cute! Milo, are you having so much fun? Are you having... Coco, are you coming outside? Coco doesn't like the snow, but he loves being outside, so I doubt he'll come out. Look at him! Bea! Hi, sweet angel! Oh, they're having so much fun. They love the cold. These two cats love the cold, and I don't understand how these two cats can love the cold this much. But it's so fun to see them play in the snow. It's almost like having a dog. Like, they love the snow as much as dogs do. What's up, guys? I'm with my cousin and Bryce. We're at their house, apartment. Because we're painting my cousin's room tonight. We're painting it white. Yeah, it was like a yellowish beige color. It still is.
It's a really ugly color.
I thought it would grow on me, but it did not, so we're needing to paint it. And we're also making cookies. We are making
That's gonna be fun.
And then we're gonna have dinner together, and then, well, he's leaving. He has plans. You're going out with your friends?
I have plans tonight.
The boys.
Cool. The boys, exactly. It's gonna be fun, relaxing night, but
a relaxing night, mani-pedi, going to the spa,
getting exactly. Let's go, boy.
Yeah, boys. We'll keep you guys updated on supper, painting, and cooking. All right, so this is how the painting is going so far. I've done a smiley face on the wall. So this is the original color, and we're obviously going white everywhere. And I think we're just realizing right now how much work we have to do. Amy is currently getting dinner ready. She got me some wine, a little tiny glass of wine. I am walking back home, so. And she's prepping dinner. We're gonna eat pasta. We're gonna keep painting, and hopefully we'll do at least one coat tonight. I mean, we don't really have an excuse to not be able to do one coat tonight, but we wanted to make cookies, and I don't know that we're gonna have time to do cookies tonight, so we can make them tomorrow or another day if we don't have time to do them today. Amy made us dinner. She made us pasta, and so did Bryce. Bryce prepped most of it, and then Amy like finished off the recipe.
Put some cheese in it.
So fancy.
It's gonna be good. And
I'm excited to eat. It looks good.
It was pretty good. I already ate, but the pasta was pretty good. And
Pasta's always good.
Exactly.
I have never met someone who does not like pasta, and the day that I do, I don't know how I'm gonna react.
I don't know how I'm gonna feel. Yeah,
like, how do you not like pasta?
Exactly.
We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna get back to painting. All right, I'm back home. I just walked back from my cousin's house. It was literally a 3-minute walk, and like, I literally had to give her a call the entire time that I was walking home. I just wanted to have someone like on the phone with me as I was walking home. It's like really late, and it's Saturday night, so I don't know, I just felt safer having her on the phone. I just feel like such a baby because it's a 3-minute walk, but anything can happen in 3 minutes, so I just feel safer doing it that way. But yeah, I'm back home. We finished doing the first coat in her room, and it looks really good. Obviously, it looks really sloppy because it's the first coat, but it looks so good, and I'm so excited for her to have like her like all painted white room. It's gonna look so nice with all of her decor. And I'm gonna go back there tomorrow to do the second coat, and we're also probably gonna do a few other things tomorrow. We did do cookies, and I didn't vlog. It just happened like really fast. So basically the cookies that I did in yesterday's vlog, I had a lot of dough left, so I brought like one of the dough balls at her house. We made some cookies, and we're gonna decorate them tomorrow all together, me and her. I think that's gonna be a lot of fun. And then I'm also gonna decorate the ones that Alex and I made together probably tomorrow, but we'll see. We've been running out of time. Alex is at his end of semester right now, and it's a lot of studying, a lot of work, so we've been missing time to do stuff, which is totally fine because he's almost done. He's done on Monday, so as soon as Monday comes around, he will be done and free to do stuff with me. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. But anyways, I was just coming on to end this vlog. It's like 10:30 and I still haven't edited the vlog for today, which is like on me. I'm just really bad at editing the vlog. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna wash my face, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So good night, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe down below for more, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.